This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, August 23rd, 2012. Let's take a look at the models on first look. This is the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We still have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, a few waves here and there. A disturbance coming into the western part of the state could bring some showers and a thunderstorm there, but it's going to be very isolated as very little moisture is involved. It's more or less stuck along the Gulf Coast and up the eastern, or at least the southeastern coast. But Friday we'll have another system that'll be trying to move in. Still, we could see some showers and storms, but it's looking less and less likely. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And even here into the weekend, the next disturbance comes up, and this has the better chance of some showers and thunderstorms as the Gulf is open, and we have Isaac coming up through Cuba, or southeastern Cuba at that time. On Sunday up here, we have the storm system moving off to the east, probably some early day showers in the eastern half of the state with clearing late. And we have Isaac over northern Cuba moving north and west. Monday, through the first few days of the week, we're pretty much clear and temperatures seasonal, upper 70s to middle 80s with Isaac about near Key West, Florida at this point. It continues moving northwest, strengthens. It'll be in the about Appalachia Bay or near Apalachicola or just south of there. Around here, we're under high pressure, clear, calm, seasonal temperatures. But whatever weather we're going to have Monday, Tuesday, we're going to have it for several days. As Wednesday, we have what's left of Isaac could be a tropical storm at that point in central Georgia, and it's just going to be stuck as it slowly moves to the northeast. Here a week from today, it's about near Charlotte, maybe a little bit north of there, and we have a ridge building in to our area, so it's going to slowly warm up. So we may see readings in the 80s, maybe some middle to upper 80s as this tropical system Isaac moves up the eastern seaboard and keeps us dry and unfortunately getting warmer. A couple days later on September 3rd, this is Labor Day, a big trough cutting eastern Canada, we should say, central and eastern Canada, be bringing some cool air, but there's a ridge pumping well up into western Canada, and we have a frontal system that'll be dangling across the northern tier of the country, separating the cool Canadian air from the subtropical air to the south, so we could see some showers and thunderstorms with that. And at the end of the forecast on the 7th, still a zonal pattern, a bit of a trough to the east and off to the north and west, a ridge over Texas and into New Mexico. And the tropical storm of the day here, which at this point may be Kirk, the K name, is east of Bermuda moving north and east as a trough of cooler weather comes down from the north. Last night here on the satellite image, we saw the monsoonal flow across the south and west, that frontal system we talked about earlier, producing very few showers and storms, and that's the reason why we're a bit iffy on rain chances the next couple days. The watch warning map showed the southwest has a lot of flood and flash flood watches, some red flag warnings in the northwest and around here, air quality to the east, and even a freeze watch in south central Oregon, so it's getting to that time of the year. QPF chart, precipitation through Monday evening at 7 o'clock shows around here we could see anywhere between a quarter to maybe 3/4 of an inch with heavier amounts possible in thunderstorms, but the heaviest rain looks to be where Isaac will tread.